Oh, this is where I stopped. Right here. You can see it's my stuff. Dan went up that way. Up there. I couldn't make it. My knee's hurting too bad, and I know it's going to be even worse. I'm hiking back, so I'm not. Didn't get up to quite the top. About halfway there. It's about 12:30. Got about 5 miles. 4 hours and 19 minutes in. Here's the view I got from here. That's Crescent Lake. I think that's Odell Butte. That's just to the left of it. That's Summit Lake. I don't know what the little point is over there to the left of it, but that one right there, that's Mount Thielsen. Crater Lake is out there. That's the south side of Crater Lake, that little glacier valley there. And I think down over here is Mount McLaughlin. Right out there. I think I got it in there. Nice view from up here, like all mountains. Oh, I guess I should tell you, I'm on the southeast side of Diamond Peak. The actual peak is up that way, beyond that ridge you see. There's a couple more ridges and it goes up. Can't see it from here. Anyways, it's a beautiful day out here. Weather's pretty nice. It's too bad my knee hurts so much. Otherwise I'd be up there with Dan, but it's not worth me to be in pain to get up there. So anyways, guess we'll see you down towards the truck or maybe on the way home. So talk to you later.